this video, we will demonstrate how to replace the front display board. This is a view of the front of the control valve. In order to access the internal components, we will need to view the back side of the power head. Using a crosshead screwdriver, loosen the 4 screws that are located in each corner. The front display cover will then easily tilt forward and away from the power head housing. Please keep in mind that there is limited slack for the wires connected to the front display board. Then carefully wiggle and detach the multi-pin connectors away from the front display board. The first being the white drive motor connector, followed by the red power connector, followed by the white meter cable connection, and finally the micro switch connection. And then set the display cover off to the side. This is the back side of the front display board. Using a crosshead screwdriver, loosen the 4 screws that are located in each corner of the board. Then lift up and remove the board. Notice the 4 springs on the replacement display board and ensure that they are lined with the 4 holes on the front display cover and place the board into position. Then simply thread the 4 screws back into place. Next, connect the multi-pin connectors to the display board while keeping in mind that the connectors are color-coded and keyed to fit in only one orientation. Then reposition the front cover back into place, and while holding the front cover in position, use the crosshead screwdriver to tighten the 4 screws back into place.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com.